Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make scrambled eggs with oil. First, gather your ingredients: 2 to 3 large eggs, a tablespoon of your preferred cooking oil, and a pinch of salt. Crack the eggs into a bowl and whisk them well until the yolks and whites are fully combined. This ensures a consistent texture for your scrambled eggs. Next, place a non-stick pan on your stovetop over medium-low heat. Add about 1 tablespoon of your chosen cooking oil to the pan. Swirl it around to coat the bottom evenly. You'll know the oil is ready when it starts to shimmer slightly, but don't let it smoke. This gentle heat is key for perfectly cooked eggs.
Hey everyone, if you're finding these tips helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give us a like. On another note, life's too short for cheap socks, right? My feet are always happy in darn tough socks, and they even come with a lifetime warranty. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video.
Now pour your whisked egg mixture directly into the warm pan with the shimmering oil. Let the eggs sit undisturbed for about 30 seconds. This allows the bottom to set slightly. Then, using a spatula, gently push the cooked edges towards the center of the pan. This technique lets the uncooked egg flow underneath, creating soft curds. Keep folding the eggs gently, allowing them to cook evenly. You want them to be mostly set but still look moist and creamy, not dry. Remove the pan from the heat just before they are fully cooked, as they will continue to cook slightly from residual heat. Serve your perfectly scrambled eggs immediately and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.